Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bow saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bahco October 24 23 Bow Saw. When it comes to woodworking and home improvement, it goes without saying that the final product is only as good as the tools at hand. One should have the best hand saws, jigsaws, circular saws and bow saws readily available for a finished product to be proud of. And when choosing the best rated bow saw, it is an open secret that the Bahco October 24 23 Bow Saw with ergo handle is the best choice on the market. This bow saw gained popularity for its durable construction from high-quality metals and intelligent design that makes it the ideal choice not just for professionals but also for beginners. It comes with an easily adjustable tensioning mechanism that ensures an efficient cut regardless of the material being used on. What's more, its ergonomic fit provides maximum comfort with minimal effort, making it the premium choice for many users. Moving on at number 4, we have the Great Neck Saw BB21 Bow Saw. Having the best DIY tools should not only be limited to professionals. Beginners should also benefit to make the work at hand easier and more enjoyable. Even as a beginner, you can find yourself a top-notch product to complete any unfinished DIY job on your to-do list, and the Great Neck Saw BB21 21 inches Bow Saw is another strong contender. This top-rated bow saw comes in multiple sizes and is easily one of the most affordable saws for those who prefer not to splash all their cash. The hardened steel blades of this bow saw ensure ease of use and efficient results. Furthermore, the chrome alloy encasing guarantees its durability if a long-lasting product is a priority. Beyond all the amazing features this bow saw offers, it is a fan favorite with a popularity that has stood the test of time. Great Neck Saw Manufacturers, Inc. has been around for almost a century and was founded in 1919 by Samuel Jacoff, a toolmaker living in Pittsfield, MA. At number 3, we have the HB Smith Bow Saw. With the HB Smith Bow Saw in your toolbox, you're definitely in good hands. This high-grade saw is noted for its ability to chew through wood, making it a good choice for cutting fresh and damp wood, such as logs and thick branches. Your safety is also guaranteed with the addition of its impressive blade guard cover. It's surprising the number of accidents that occur when saws are left unattended to. Luckily, with the intelligent addition of the blade guard from HB, the teeth of the blades are covered during storage to not only reduce the chances of any injury occurring but to also prevent the blades from dulling, which is often caused by other objects rubbing against the blade teeth. The HB Smith Bow Saw is also a premier candidate for all your woodworking needs. With its hardened teeth, you're guaranteed all the desired results with less effort applied. At number 2, we have the TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw. The TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw is a bow saw best designed for cutting green wood only and doesn't come with a blade for cutting up dry wood. Despite this, the features offered by this blade are seemingly limitless. This tool finds its way onto our exclusive list thanks to its affordability, durability and its top-notch knuckle guard. As previously mentioned, although a vital feature for bow saws, knuckle guards are very uncommon, hence why this is a standout feature of the TRUPER Bow Saw. What's more, the TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw offers a quality tensioning system and a comfortable non-slip ergonomic handle. And finally at number 1, we have the Fiskars 7029 21-inch Bow Saw. Fiskars is one of the oldest companies in the Western world. Started in 1649, this brand has survived world wars, pandemics, and much, much more. That's why we're confident that you'll love their products. When you've been in the game for over 300 years, you learn how to impress your customers. This product, the Fiskars 7029 Bow Saw, doesn't look anything like the first products that this company made. They might be a heritage brand, but this bow saw is made with modern materials and using up-to-date design techniques. It has a lightweight tubular steel frame that holds the hardened carbon steel blade. This easy-to-grip, lightweight design makes this saw super easy to control. When you're cutting through a thick branch, you don't want any extra weight making the movement more difficult.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.